Rocket League Series 1.
Yeah, Rocket League Series 1. I hate this.
Let me see.
And we're gonna open them without wrapping. Yeah, open them with wrapping. Yeah, guys. You open it right here. Right here. Now to open it. Now open it. Ow.
Go, 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 go.
I can't. Mommy. I open it again. There. And I'm gonna wait for who's wrapping. There's right here. There's one right there. I want that. Ah! Stop. It's taking forever. Ooh, your strong muscles. Yeah, I know. He got strong muscles. He's saying I'm gecko. Ooh, there's a gecko one. And I'm cowboy.
Open them. Twist it.
A blind bag.
Oh no. Tricky. Okay, open it.
No, I'm gonna wait for one. Wait. That is mine in the cylinders. I see my dog.
Which one did you get?
I don't know what you get. Let's check on the paper.
It's ripped up now. Which one did you get? Let me see.
I don't have.
Whoa.
What?
There's nothing on this paper. Okay.
Ow.
And you got... It's purple with red.
Collector guy.
Let me see which one you got.
White and yellow and
Gray.
gray.
Nice car.
Thank you. And that's